Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add texture to your animal plaques. You can create texture by using a variety of different tools. Here I'm using a wooden tool and just switching the position of how I'm pressing it down into the clay. Here I have these like plaster stamps that have some texture in it, and I'm just placing them down, creating texture. I may not have these because I made this while I was a student teaching. Here I have some ribs with a variety of grooves in them. You could use them to press down the grooves on one side, or you can drag the rib to create a different type of groove. Or you could just use random things to stamp inside your clay to create some texture. Here I'm using the loop tool, and I'm using all sides to try to get different textures. Here I'm using all the techniques I just showed you in this video to create texture on my fish. At this point, your plaque doesn't need to be realistic. I'm adding swirls because I thought it would be an interesting design. The last step is to use a paintbrush with a little bit of water and just smoothing out all the edges of the texture you just created. Your plaque should be filled with texture when you are done. Ask me where to put it when you are done, so it can dry before it goes into the kiln. Later.